Hi, my name is Jamie Snyder, and I'd like to discuss using Lexico in the classroom. So, personally, I've been using dictionary.com and thesaurus.com very happily for a very long time. And when I've used it with my students, they've said, wow, this is fantastic. And I don't think they're kidding. But Lexico is actually a better option. So, it's just one place where we can find the spelling and synonyms, which I've been using from dictionary and thesaurus.com. But then there's grammar stuff, and there are also translation options. So it's free, it doesn't require a login, and it's utilizing the Oxford English Dictionary. All good stuff. So they have the US dictionary, the UK dictionary, synonyms, grammar, and some translation parts. Okay, so the standards include 1.3.b. Lexico can be a valued resource for my students because it can help them evaluate the credibility and accuracy of the sources of information they have. So sometimes they think they're using the correct word, and they are certainly not. And for education leaders, 3.1.a, by using Lexico myself, I can improve my own skills. Sometimes I think I'm doing something correctly, and I am not. Okay, accessibility. It's just a website. There's no payment. You don't have to sign in, anything. You just go to lexico.com and get to work. Here's how it looks. There's the US dictionary. There are the grammar and writing tips. And here's my reference page. Standards, and the Lexico website. Now let's check it out. So here we could just type in a word that maybe we don't know. Whatever. There. So you can see this spelling is the possessive. You can look up synonyms. Very popular word. Let's use some synonyms here. Extremely, exceedingly, yada yada. But here's the part that I think is pretty fun. Let's look at the grammar section. Here's something that students like to pretend is correct. Could have. So obviously they are just making a mistake with the contraction. They think it's could have when it's could have. So here it would explain that to you. Here's what they think they're saying when they type that. So I really like that I would be able to just type it in here and they could see it for themselves because they don't always believe me. It's fun. So hopefully this website would be a lot more helpful to them and even to me. Thank you so much. Bye.